I look at my clients of all ages through a lens of trauma, which essentially is what has happened to you that's led you to where you are now, as opposed to what's wrong with you. No one's brain is born traumatized or stressed or depressed or anything. Our brains get hijacked through life, through trauma, through illnesses, through different events, divorce as well, and it gets stuck. It's not open to learning new ways. If someone has experienced trauma, with the neurofeedback, there's no talking involved. The individual doesn't have to relive a situation that chances are they didn't want to be in the very first place. So neurofeedback is a non-invasive approach to help train your brain to work at its best. It gives real-time feedback, and then it helps the individual to regulate their emotions, become more flexible, be more resilient, and it helps the brain self-correct. It's so wonderful and so humbling to see individuals grow and be more comfortable in their true selves.